See you next time. What's going on, guys? We finally did it. We finally went low nines in the quarter mile. First off, I want to show you the Speed Factory Civic. It is the fastest car I've ever seen in person, so I thought it would be awesome if you guys got to see it as well. 6-second pass at 217 is insane to see, that's for sure. So we went 136 60 foot, which wasn't the greatest. The pass before was a 139, which I don't have the data on to show you guys. We really needed to get the 60 down. The car was hopping on the launch, so we needed to minimize that. I decided to try the right lane, which you see here. We went a 130 60, which was pretty crazy. Then we went back up to the lines and I saw a car do a wheelie in the left lane, so I figured I'd try it again, and our 60 foot dropped back down to a 132, which is kind of cool. 1320 60 foot. After this pass, we were running out of time. I let Nick know, hey, we got 30 minutes, we have time for one more pass. He was like, you want all of it? Yes, we want all of it, right? So I sent the text to the boys and they said, fucking all of it, let's go. So we sent it, and we finally did it. Or better. 904? Yeah. Let's go! 902! It's on an 8! It's on an 8! Fuck! So glad to finally check this off the bucket list. The one thing we were trying to do for a long time. I can't say that I did this alone. Gabe, Steve, John, Shepard, everybody at Rampage, Donna, and their fabricators. This was a group effort, and I couldn't have done it without them. And I do still want to go for that 8-second pass. So we're going to check the car over, make sure everything's good to go, and we'll take that next step. But we set a few personal bests, and we may also have the record for the best 60 foot on Ecutek. But these are my new PBs. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, and we'll see you next time.